Hello students, in this video we are going to check the answers for our previous day challenge, which is day 4, all about squares. So let's begin, and before we jump into the answers for the actual problems, I hope you have done the practice for the squares of the numbers between 1 to 25. If you have done it, great job, and I want you to take a picture of it and stick it on the wall and revise it, check it whenever possible. Okay. Now, coming to our actual problem of the challenge, which is finding the square root of the numbers 729 and 15,129. Let's take the first problem, which is finding the square root of the number 729. So, let's take the number and divide it into two parts. And as you can see, here the number is ending with 9. So, obviously, the square root should either end with 3 or 7. Now, if you take the number 7, the nearest perfect square that is just less than the 7 is 4. So, the square root of 4 is 2. So, the number must be either 23 or 27. So, how do we find between these two? Take the next immediate number, which is 3. So, the answer is 6. Since 7 is greater than our 6, we must choose the bigger number, which is 27. So the square root of 729 is 27. So that's our answer. I hope you get it. Right? Now coming to the second problem, which is finding the square root of the number 15,129. 129. Let's take this number and write it separately. And let us divide the number into two parts, which is our first step. Since here also the number is ending with 9, it should be either 3 or 7. Now let's take the remaining digits, which is 151. The nearest perfect square that is just less than this 151 is 144, which is the square of number 12. So it's either 123 or 127. Now let's take the next immediate digit, which is 30, and multiply it. You get the answer 156. Since our number 151 is less than this 56, we'll choose the smaller number. So the answer is 123. The square root of 15,129 is 123. I hope you get the answer, which we have got it within very few seconds. And if you have not done it within very few seconds, then you need practice till you get it. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you like it, give a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next interesting video.